Press releases are not dead, but the old send it to everyone strategy is. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Now, more than 3 million people depend on online news, giving brands an opportunity to shine. But journalists can't fix the need alone. If your press release isn't clearly relevant, it won't work. That's why AI and natural language processing are changing the game. Instead of matching simple keywords like fintech or healthcare, modern systems look at meaning. This is called semantic matching. In easy words, AI reads your press release and turns it into a digital fingerprint. It does the same with thousands of journalists' past articles, social posts, and interests. Then it compares the meaning behind both. If the themes and intent align, your release is sent. If not, then it isn't. And that's changing the whole way how you should write. Clear headlines and strong opening paragraphs matter more than ever because AI pays close attention to the beginning of a document. Real quotes, specific details, and focused storytelling help systems understand your message. Plus, shorter content around 300 to 400 words often perform better because they're easier for both humans and algorithms to process. Smart platforms also consider recent journalist activity, past engagement behavior, and topic preferences. This improves relevance. The result is fewer spams and more outreach. You can also track performance in smarter ways. Open rates, response rates, coverage quality, and even tone of resulting articles can be analyzed to improve future releases. Now, you don't have to be loud to reach the audience. It's just about being smarter. Brands who make strong storytelling with intelligent targeting will reach the right journalists at the right time, and that makes all the difference. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.